Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram Unfollow suggestion feature. In order to help you keep your feed clean, Instagram provides you with categories in the following section like least interacted with and most shown in feed. In the least interacted with category, you will be shown who you don't engage with regularly in case you want to unfollow them. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Go to your Instagram profile tab. Click on the following section at the top of your page. Once the following section opens, you will see the categories such as least interacted with and most shown in feed. Tap the least interacted with and you will see a list of users who you didn't interact with the last 90 days. Review the list of users Instagram provides you, and maybe you will decide to unfollow someone whose content you're not interested in anymore. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram Unfollow suggestion feature. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.